On the new 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE, equipped with the parking assistance package, the vehicle can parallel or perpendicular park itself. To activate the system, you're going to press the P button here with the camera. When you do, it brings up the image here and the car begins to scan for a parking spot. You want to make sure that the space is in between two vehicles so that the car can recognize it. As you drive past the parking spot, the car scans, and if it determines that it's a spot, then it's going to chime and throw up an image out here on the screen to let you know that it found the space. Once it determines that the car will fit into the parking spot, it asks if you want to use the parking system to park the car, so you're going to select the space by clicking the touchpad on the steering wheel. When you do, it then prompts you to select whether you want to back into the space or pull forward into the space. You can swipe on the touchpad up and down to change between forward and reverse. If you want to back into the space, just click the touchpad, and then the car prompts you to put it into reverse. Once you do that, then the car turns on your turn signal, will control the brake, the gas, changing of the gears, and the steering of the vehicle. The car then stops, chimes, and puts the car into park, letting you know that it's parked the car in the space. When you come back out to your vehicle, you can use the same button to exit the parking spot. Click the P. It's going to bring up the image here. The car wants to know if you want to exit the space right or left. You swipe the touchpad to select which direction you want to exit the space, and then you click in on the touchpad. The car then prompts you to put the car into drive, and now it's going to pull you out of the parking spot. The car chimes and puts an image here on the screen to let you know that you're back in control.